That's how it's supposed to look like for cold air intakes. You want to cut it out, look like that, more or less. We use one of these to cut it out, and of course the Dremel. Pretty soon it's going to be cold air intakes instead of the short ram heat soaking intakes. But we're trying to widen it out a little bit, make it look nice so far. But this is what we're using for the cold air intakes. You got to watch out with the AC lines. You know, you guys don't want to ruin the AC lines out. So, you know, you got AC lines right here, so you want to watch out with that. Open it up as much as possible. You know, keep a nice big hole like that. Make sure it's 3 inches and you know, 3 inches wide enough or whatever. Measure it from here to there. But we got this piece right here, the metal piece. We're gonna try to use pliers, or not pliers, whatever this is called, right? We're gonna try to push it back, and that's it. Should be good to go for cold air intakes on an Infiniti G37 Sport. I got the intakes in, I got the injectors in. There you have it. I'm about to do first startup. Also got the Ecutech in right here. I got the Ecutech Bluetooth, but I need a laptop for this shit, bro. Check it out. This shit chokes, turns off.